You will want to eat salad every day after this recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting half cabbage into fine pieces, and then I will transfer to a container. Then I will cut half red cabbage, and then I will also take to the container. Tell me if you have any different salad recipe, I'd love to know. Now I'm going to slice an onion and take it to the cabbages. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I will cut last an apple in slices, like I did with the onion, and then I will put in the container. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Then I will add a grated carrot, half a cup of raisin, and then I will stir everything very well until all the ingredients of the salad are well mixed. This recipe has become routine here at home. In another container, I will put 200 grams of mayonnaise, 200 grams of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm sure this recipe will become routine in your home too. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir everything very well until all the ingredients are added. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. To finish, I will pour the mixture I made earlier over the salad to season, and then I will stir. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Beverly Ferrier from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Finally, I will transfer to another container. I like to serve this way, but you can serve the way you think best. The result of this recipe is surprisingly delicious, the desire to eat every day. Done that, our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.